I went to the fridge in the garage to grab a pack of defrosted chicken, and every time I will pull one out from the freezer to defrost, and then I'll have one ready. Anyways, this one was ready when I pulled one out to defrost in the freezer, and inside the freezer I found a farmer's dog. I must have missed one last time. So they do have dinner after all. What are you guys doing? Whoa. Hi, girl. I'm having a salad. There's my salad. So I have their food defrosting in some cold water, and then half hour I'm gonna change out the cold water and put new hot water, and I keep doing that until it defrosts. Do you know how to do that? That's like the safest way to defrost, so bacteria doesn't accumulate and then they don't get bacteria transfer. So yeah, they'll have their dinner ready soon. Food's defrosted. Took less than half hour. I put it in the water like 5:50 something, and it's 6:23 now. So you guys ready? Hi, honey. Oh, you're my cutie. And they're eating.